Hi, it's your coach, Joe Lucas. Welcome to your Practice Power Daily Coaching video for Wednesday, the 26th of February. Just a few days left, right? And here we are off into March. Today is going to be something very cool, very unique. I'm gonna tell you how to fail. I'm going to give you a lesson in failure, which is like, why would I want to do? Why would I start my day with this? Because it's a very important, powerful distinction. And I've been blessed and lucky over 2 decades now of just being knee deep in this industry. And in those decades, I've had a lot of advisors come to me, from workshops we do or referred, or they find us on the internet, whatever it is. And what's really nice is it's like a giant laboratory for me. I get to really understand their psychology. So today, what I want to do is give you kind of a primer in what failure sounds like, what it looks like, and how you approach it. Okay? Because there is a recipe. We always talk about success leaving clues, right? Well, failure also is a recipe. People say, well, tell me how to be successful. Well, we can give a recipe on that. But you ever ask yourself, well, how do you fail in this business? What's the recipe on that? Well, let's talk about what failure is. Okay, so first and foremost, if you want to fail in this business, have no plan. Just kind of come in and exist like you think you have a job. So in other words, your distinction is not I have a business, I have a job. So operate that way. And look, when we say failure, there's two levels of failure in our business. There's actually failing out of the business, right? And then there's what we call the failure to really achieve an outcome. Or in my way of saying it is, you've now created a glorified job that, yeah, you may make six figures at, but you know what? You're flatlined. You've not grown. You're kind of in that zone right there. You haven't had that breakthrough. Okay? So make sure you have, A, do not have a written business plan. Do not have that. Don't have a morning ritual. Don't have a daily game plan. Don't do any mental diet. Don't take care of your psychology. Don't take care of your body. And just have the mindset that you have no control. That's everybody else's fault. It's my partner's fault, it's the firm's fault, my spouse's fault, my children. In other words, you take no personal responsibility. I've dealt with people like that. And what's interesting about it is when you do not take personal responsibility, when you abdicate it, you know what? You're never going to change. Why? Because you're not responsible to change. The easiest thing to do in life is to be what we call a victim. It's everybody else's fault. Until you can look at yourself in the mirror and say, it's me. I'm the one that's ultimately responsible for my destiny. Until you can have that conversation with yourself, you're just gonna. It just you know what? You're just gonna lie. You're just gonna sit there and kind of go through things. So failure does have a syntax. All right. It's when you don't do certain things. Right. It's when it's really about not taking certain actions. That's what failure is. Success is the easiest thing in this industry. Business plan, morning ritual, mental diet, daily game plan, energy, emotions. Here's the beauty of all that. You control it all. Doesn't matter the market conditions, doesn't matter the economy, all those things you have control over. But that only works for you if you decide to take action and control it. Okay? So, have a great day today, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow morning.